All right, what's going on, y'all? It is Friday afternoon. Well, going into the evening. What time is it? 5 o'clock. Market's just closed. I wasn't able to post a video up yesterday because I was very distracted and busy with other things. But yeah, I want to go over the trades. We started off the week super strong. And then Wednesday, I just had a bad day on my behalf, with not following my trading plan. And then these 2 days, I did follow my trading plan, but it was just still losses. I'm gonna walk y'all through the trades. I'm gonna show y'all how I journal my trades as well, because it's very super important to journal your trades. Like if you're not journaling your trades, you're holding yourself back because what you're doing is you're just blindly trading. You're not analyzing yourself as a trader. Like you might analyze the markets, but you're not analyzing yourself as a trader and becoming a better person in the markets. Um, like when you're journaling, you wanna cover, write down your mistakes, your emotions. Like, so for me, when I journal, um, I have my rules right here. I follow my trading plan. I have my trading plan over here. And then do I follow risk management? Do I maintain a good mental state? On this day, I did not follow trade management because on a trade, I usually, for one, I want to only take two trades a day. And them two trades, I only want to risk for this 50K account $200. And this day, I took my two losses for $200. But no, I took my one win, got greedy, and kept trying to trade and lost for 80. So I was down 200 for the day because I over leveraged on this trade trying to maximize the profits, and then the market did some crazy stuff. But and then I experienced FOMO and I started revenge trading. And I only did it for one trade, which isn't like nothing to hurt me, but it's still it's an unnecessary loss that didn't have to happen. So that was the three trades that I did today. Um, this was the setup that I took. This was on Wednesday. So Wednesday, I was bullish on all week. I wanted to see these levels get taken, but this week price action was just it was bad. Like Monday and Tuesday it was looking good, and then Wednesday, Thursday, and even today, like price action was just it wasn't the best. Um, it would give like a lot of false setups, and then the real move would just happen like fast, like too fast to kind of react to it. Like you would already have to be and dibbling, dabbling in the markets to like it just wasn't clean. And I'm gonna show you exactly why I said that. But on this trade on Wednesday, we had the liquidity, sell side liquidity right here, and inside of a higher time frame fair value gap. So we're looking at right here. This is the hour time frame. So once this got took inside this area, around this area, I was looking for I wanted to see bullish price action start to form. So in the lower time frames, we did start to Jesus Christ. We did start to get that. So on the lower time frames, what are we on? This is the 1 minute. Yeah, so this is where it was at. I keep stuttering. We had this inversion fair value gap that would end up being used. But hold on, let me just go to the actual market because I'd rather show you live, not pictures. But yeah, before we even get to that, this is one of my trading journals. I usually put a screenshot of the trade, the higher time frame setup, and then lower time frame entry, and then explain why I'm taking that trade, and then what I expect the price action to do today, and then after I experience how I like whatever mistakes I feel like I made, I own up to it, face it, and avoid doing it next time. And that's how I consistently get better every day as a trader. And even your mental state, like if you're going through personal stuff in real life that can affect your psychology when it comes to trading, journal it. Like you're really just talking to yourself. So you're talking to your future self. Like you're doing your future self a favor because then your future self is gonna go back on this and you're gonna see how much you've grown. But if you don't journal, you be done been trading for 2 years and never leveled up. Just you're the same type of trader making the same mistakes, just going through the hamster wheel, not getting better. And then post trade, you type out any extra things that happen after the trade or whatever may happen. Like it's up to you, but this is how I journal my trades. But let's get to the charts though. Um, oh, I'm on $1. So on $1, I was bearish on $1. As y'all can see that from the previous videos all week. I wanted to see bearish price action from this area. So we did get that, and then we got choppy a little. We got choppy in here. So we also had see. Let me explain something to you. The market, literally in every market, the markets are manipulated, and all the market is doing is looking for liquidity. It's not doing nothing extra, like all them trend lines. It's not bouncing off trend lines and stuff like that. It's just looking for liquidity. Like if you see right here, this is a liquidity grade right here. The people that's in this move on this down move, where are they putting their stops? They're gonna put their stops at the high, and you can see that before did this low get taken? Let's see. Yeah, this low didn't get taken. So whoever was in this trade, who are probably aiming for these lows or whatnot, market, that's the manipulation move. Snatch once the market is liquidated, then it makes the real move to wherever the next destination is to go. If you can master knowing what the draw liquidity is and where price action wants to go, you don't even have to have like the best entry. Like what a mistake that I did, I always focused on entries and learning a bunch of PD arrays and stuff. But anyways, I've already spoke on that, I think, on the last video, so I'm not gonna get too deep into that. But this was dollar. Let's go over the trades that I took this week. What was I trading? I was trading on today. I was trading the euro because I'm gonna explain why. ES. I'm on a 1 hour. Alright, but so I'm gonna just take this off because it's irrelevant right now, and I'm gonna pull up in Q. So give me 1 second so I can get myself together. All right, but no wonder I was confused for a second because I'm like, I know I had it on here, but I forgot that I'd be high in certain instruments on different time frames. But so right here we had a fair value gap. This is five, and this is pre market. This is all going on pre market, and this is the right here. This is the London move. So the London move market was shooting down crazy, right? And we have a 15-minute fair value gap. Just type it out so y'all see it. So the London move was a manipulation down to this 15-minute fair value gap. It didn't take this low, and then off of that we started getting reactions into the morning time, and then there was a 5-minute fair value gap right here that I was expecting to see a reaction. So this is what I wanted to see. I wanted to see if this fair value gap was gonna hold this selling this bearish if it was gonna hold and go down trade to the downside to collect this liquidity down here, which it never did, or if it was going to leave and then retrace and then go. So that's what I was waiting to see. Now granted today we got the closes above, and then we got the retracements, and then the market went. I wasn't able to get in this trade simply because we had I think we had news at 10. Something happened today. It just made the market move too fast for me. Like if you go into 1 minute, oh I forgot I had took my levels off. Let me just put them down for y'all real quick. So I was targeting these highs, right? And then we go to the 1 minute, so I can show y'all what I mean. So this is the reason why I wasn't able to get in the trade. I was targeting that high, right? That's buy side liquidity. So for one, before you go in a trade, you should always look at the market and try to see what condition it is. Are we in high resistance, low resistance? Is it in search and destroy profile? Like, you need to know if you're going to be on offense or defense. Like, you don't want to go in the market just betting full. Man, I said betting, placing full size trades and in a search and destroy market. You're just gonna mess yourself up and lose unnecessary money, take unnecessary trades, oversized. Like, it's just not worth it. So off rip, how does this price action look? It doesn't look it doesn't look too great. Now, granted, we are in a 5 minute consolidation, but do you see this 1 minute candle right here? Yeah, this one, the news that came out at 10 sent the price to collect liquidity, and the objective of the day was already taken. So after that, I wasn't too what's the word? I didn't have no conviction on any trade setups. So and plus we broke a new all time highs. So like I don't really like trading all time highs because I don't know where to get out at. It's really just like scalping moves for real, for real. So like that's not like how I like to trade personally. Like granted, people like I know a lot of people that made money on today's moves, but that's just not how I like to trade. I like to have a target. I like to know where I don't want to see price to go, and like everything's by the book. But everybody trades differently. But I wasn't able to get into this move after that news took out the buy side, and we never got bearish price action. If we would have got bearish price action, I would have took some entries and try to grab something down here because we have a bunch of liquidity pools down here on the way down to this liquidity pool. So, but we never got that. So we'll see if we get that next week or whatnot. And same thing for ES. They move pretty much the same. Uh, in the PM session, we did get that bearish price action right here. Looks like this fair value gap. Like it's just messy price action. Like if I saw this, I wouldn't have had no conviction in taking this trade. But this could have been an entry. I was after that 10 o'clock news happened. I stopped watching the market. I'm not gonna lie. Um, and I wasn't home. I didn't have my computer set up. I was on the laptop. I'm not. It's hard going from all these monitors to one laptop. But I prefer to look at multiple things at once. But yeah, I didn't take any trades on ES or NQ today. I was just trading the euro. Euro looking. Let me explain why the thought process behind trading the euro. So my thought process. I'm bullish. We have equal highs. We got all this generated by side liquidity on the daily chart, right? And it would do its bullish move. I was getting in for buys, I believe. I don't remember, but we're about to check it out now. So let me delete these. These are just my alerts. But right here we had equal lows down here inside of a 4 hour fair value gap at a place where I was already on a higher time frame. On the weekly time frame, we're on a weekly order block. I'm on a monthly. I'm tripping. We're on a weekly order block right here. So we got the reaction already off the weekly order block. I'm not going to keep this box. I'm just gonna. All right, but I never reached there. But and then we go on the back to the 4 hour. We have sell side inside of a fair value gap. Extremely, extremely, extremely high probability setups. The market wants to take this. We have inefficiencies and we have sell side, and we have even more sell side because of the price action just never took this low out and it generated more and kept consolidating. So it's just this is all generated sell side liquidity. So the market for sure. Well, I'm not gonna say for sure, but high probability that the market is gonna want to come down here and collect that before it takes off. So that's what I'm gonna be looking for next week before the expansion move. Right now we're just accumulating price, but we go down to the 1 hour. We have this 1 hour fair value gap. I can't remember where I was getting in at. What the hell is this? I'm thinking of. There we go. Okay, yeah. So I was trying to sell in this fair value gap, I believe. I don't hold on, wait. Am I tweaking? I know I was trying to buy. I'm sorry, y'all. My mind's just been all over the place today. I usually don't trade if I'm not home. But it's alright. I'm just gonna go down to the 5 minutes to see the entries that I was getting. Okay. Yeah, so I was trying to sell. So I sold a contract here to test the waters out because we already got a reaction. I seen this reaction, and then this is the 10 o'clock news that happened. So once we got back in here, back in the fair value gap after already having this reaction and taking out this buy side liquidity, I wanted to see this sell side get smashed. But and I'm gonna explain to you why a big reason why this move didn't play out. So I got in again at the bottom of the fair value gap, at the top of the fair value gap, and then once it closed above, I got out fully, and I was just like, I'm gonna wait to see what what price wants to do from here. So I saw we broke structure right here. We had a market structure shift. I gotta start marking my charts up while I'm trading because I don't be market putting all this stuff on my chart sometimes while I'm trading. We had a market structure shift to the downside. So I wanted to see that's not enough for me to get in the trade. I want to see PD or very support price. So we have this 1 minute inversion fair value gap, and we failed to make a higher high. So once we broke down, I was taking this. I took my first entry on this 1 minute inversion. So got in. Price went down. I'm in profit, and then I see we got this 1 minute fair value gap. I wanted to see price break below and make its way down, but it never did. It just bounced off of that. And this is I only reason why I moved my stop to break even was because we was approaching lunch hour. You can see at the bottom right here at the time. We was approaching lunch hour, which is at 12 o'clock. And I don't like to be in trades during that time because it's consolidations and yeah, I don't like being in the market when it's consolidating. And yeah, that was the last trade. I was being very defensive today after seeing the news and how market it wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. So yeah, after I took that small, well, I didn't really lose that. This was a break even trade, and then I took a small loss here for like 137, I believe, 145. So yeah, for the day I was down 145, and then I just cut it. Like, I didn't look at the rest of the market for the day. But this is what I mean. This is what I mean by being defensive in bad market conditions. Like especially if the daily objective gets taken, which it was for NQ and ES. But um like just look at it. Just it's a lot of consolidations. Like and then big moves down, big moves up, big moves down. Like when you see these type of signatures in price, lower your size. Don't take as many trades. Be more precise. Like you just gotta be prepared. You gotta be defensive with it. You gotta be prepared for anything. So that was one of them days today. So I wasn't really trading aggressive, hence I don't the small trading size. But yeah, that was pretty much it for the day. I'm not gonna go back and show the trades from Thursday and Wednesday only because I'll show y'all the screenshots on my trading journal, but like it just be a headache going back in the smaller time frames on price and having to find where you at because every time you change the price, like the time frame, it moves the. I'm sorry, I got to take my shit, but it moves the chart, and it just be annoying. So I'm not gonna show it, but I will show y'all the setup that I took. Oh yeah, this is why. And also, if you're distracted, do not trade. um, my man's came over early in the morning, and he was sitting here while I was trading, but I was distracted talking to him about other stuff, and we was chilling, and we was like freestyling. Like I was just wasn't focused. Like I was chilling with my friend. Like so, I couldn't even put the charts up. This is an empty journal day. This is how you know I wasn't locked in. Sean came over, wasn't focused 100%. The markets this week wasn't too clean price action, but we still ended the week profitable. So did I show y'all this one? I believe. Yeah, I showed y'all. Yeah, I showed y'all this one. I can't remember. I thought I had the executions on here, but I can't remember exactly where about. I think this is what happened. This is the liquidity grab, and then I got in on this. I was trying to get in on this fair value gap to keep coming down and take out this low again into this these fair value gaps. But when I got in, it just kept ripping up. And you see this. This is another day I should have been defensive. I lost three. I lost one trade for 350. I mean, I won one trade for 350 profit, and then lost the next two. Lost on my profits plus more in this shitty price action. Like I should have seen. I don't even know why I was trading. Looking back at it, like this is why you should journal because you look at back. You can look back at yourself and be like, I don't even know why I would trade it. Like these are not my setups. This is not good market conditions. I was just trying to force my way in the market because I had a good Monday and Tuesday, so I came in a Wednesday trying to, you know what I mean, like trying to get to it. So yeah, that was the price action on Tuesday, and then Thursday, the day my friend came over. Then I just showed you all my trades from today. So overall for the whole week, we're up $842 on the 50K account. So we got to get to 3,000. Um, I really wanted to get it this week, but yeah, the past 3 days is just with my mistake with over trading on Wednesday that brought me back. Um, and Thursday I just took my loss as a loss, and then I lowered my size a little bit, and took another loss on Friday through just bad price action, honestly. But um, yeah, that's basically gonna do it. Those were all my trades for the week. These are the results. Next week I'm coming in hard. I'm coming in hot, trying to get the 3K achievement so we can unlock the account and start making some money on. But is there anything else I want to go over? Yeah, I don't think so. I think that was it. I will be doing. I'm gonna do a weekly market review on Sunday. I'm gonna drop a Sunday analysis on my predictions on price for the week, and we'll see how next week plays out. And yeah, that's gonna do it. I wish y'all the best of luck with y'all trading. Remember, don't over trade. Respect your trading plan. Respect trading plans to be your best friend. I literally have my trading plan on the screen visually so I can watch it. Because if I don't, that's when I start doing the dumb shit. Like, and that's just me. Like, it's just honestly like I'm just being honest on her. Um, and yeah, journal your trades so you can become better every day, bro. Like, what are you trying to trade for if you're not trying to be the absolute best? Like, you're just trying to gamble money and get rich quick, and you're not gonna make it far in this league. So, master yourself. Don't rush the process. Learn how to find the draw of liquidity. It will make your trading 10 times easier. I swear to God. So, I'll next week. I'll show y'all exactly how I spot liquidity, and we'll just go from there. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I'll see y'all Sunday. Today's Friday. Yeah, I'll see y'all Sunday. So make sure y'all tune in.